The rapid development of agricultural biotechnology offers significant potential to address food security, climate resilience, and sustainable production. However, its societal and ethical implications remain contested. A contemporary example is the legal and ethical dispute over GM mustard in India, which illustrates a One Health governance challenge. Federal approval based on youth metrics conflicts with concerns from farmers, beekeepers, and environmentalists, revealing how top-down decisions can marginalize local knowledge and overlook interconnected human, animal, and environmental risks. Our purpose statement is the power imbalances among stakeholders distort the governance of agricultural biotechnologies. These distortions reinforce inequality and weaken public trust. Our objective is to analyze how power dynamics shape research priorities, regulation, and risk assessment. The significance is to promote food justice and contributes to interdisciplinary research on power, ethics, and innovation governance.
Our strategy shifts One Health governance from top-down control to shared decision-making. Through participatory One Health governance, we propose mandated multi-stakeholder platforms where stakeholders co-create agricultural biotechnology solutions ethically. First, research goals are co-designed by scientists, policymakers, and local farmers, addressing governance failures like India's DMH11 mustard case. Using prior informed consent and mutually agreed terms under Nagoya Protocol, community biocultural protocols protect traditional knowledge and ensure fair benefit sharing. Second, decisions are made through mandated MSPs forum, responding to transparency and trust gaps highlighted by 2024 DMH11 court deadlock. Trained facilitators balance participation, while adaptive collaboration allows shared learning and challenge dominant narrative. Finally, joint monitoring empowers communities to track environmental, animal, and human health risks such as superweed emergence. This builds trust, local ownership, and ensure interventions reflect real ecosystem conditions.
Our strategy is the engine for 4 key SDG. First and foremost is SDG 16. This is our primary driver. By mandating MSP forums, we fulfill target 16.7, replacing top-down exclusion with representative decision-making. Under SDG 2, our core design approach aligns biotech with smallholder needs while protecting genetic diversity. SDG 3 is achieved through joint monitoring, empowering locals to detect One Health risks before they become crises. Finally, we uphold SDG 12 by using the Nagoya Protocol to prevent biopiracy.
From an environmental perspective, integrating local and traditional ecological knowledge strengthens the biodiversity conservation and ecosystem resilience. Local communities can identify pressures such as overexploitation, habitat fragmentation, and invasive species that may be overlooked by external sectors. Frameworks like the Nagoya Protocol prevents unsustainable extraction of genetic resources through fair access and benefit sharing. Participatory monitoring further enables early detection of ecological risks, which include the superweeds and pollinator activity. Shared decision-making reduces action bias in land use planning, promoting landscape connectivity and long-term environmental sustainability in line with the Sustainable Development Goals. From a health perspective, protecting ecosystems through One Health approaches directly supports human and animal well-being. Biodiverse ecosystems help to regulate disease transmission and reduce the risk of zoonotic spillover. Preventing biopiracy ensures that traditional medicinal knowledge is used ethically and benefits the local communities, which improve the health equity. Participatory surveillance allows early identification of risks, such as the increased chemical exposure or threats to food security. Inclusive governance also protects the ecosystem services like clean water and safe food systems, which strengthen the overall public health resilience.
Next, at the community level, inclusive decision-making helps build trust between communities, governments, and non-governmental organizations. When communities are involved in decisions that affect them, participation increases and One Health programs are more easily accepted. Furthermore, balanced power protects marginalized groups by ensuring that their needs, cultural values, and local knowledge are not ignored. Finally, from an economic perspective, fair power distribution improves the efficiency of resource use. Shared decision-making allows resources to be allocated based on real community needs, thus reducing ineffective interventions and economic waste. In addition, balanced governance supports long-term economic sustainability while protecting local livelihoods and encouraging sustainable practices.